everyone, welcome back to the last video for vehicle maintenance journal. And the past video we would have created the vehicle road tax and insurance track. Oh, sorry, it's a car maintenance. So let me just make a change here. Maintenance, tracker. So where we track the maintenance service. So what you can do is you can basically color them like the max service or the main service. I have marked it as slightly bluish or different color, and then the basic service that's required at uh, every time we send for maintenance are highlighted into a common color so that we know that those are common thing, and the rest of it it's like as and when required. So you can just put a remark, uh, yes, so that you know when when it is needed. For example, like the brake pad. If you see the frequency from the car you bought until now, then you will know how frequent you may need the brake replacement, and this will help you anticipate the expenses and keep aside or budget it out. Okay, and then about the bit of fuel, adding additive. You can divide it whether you want to do it end of the year or middle of the year instead of doing it at every single service. So I have checked in terms of the frequency. Some of the item is depending on the time of service per need. So when there's a per need, then you don't need to or anything because it's like occasional thing. So that wheel balancing, you don't need to do it every 6 months if you're not driving it frequently. So so you can see your past history or record, and then you can make, or you can choose to go and sit with the sales or the technical assistance or the technical uh, sales consultant over there of the day, understand the need of it, and then mark it so that you can plan ahead in terms of how much roughly you would need. So we have that here. For in this case, I have right. I need to extend this. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make it K. So I just need to know total paid for maintenance of the car. Okay, so I know how much is it. It's an accumulative. Itemized bill. The statement balance is an accumulative figure. And then we have the road tax, we have the insurance, and it's also an accumulative figure. And then we have the loan payment, which is as well the accumulated figure. So here we have more item, you understood. And now, in fact, doing this, you will understand the requirement of your car better, and you can better plan your finance, right? So as for the summary, you want to see, what is likelihood of owning a car, and how much is it that you may need to spend in an annual basis. Okay, we have the basic requirement or whatever the expenses that's coming in, and bear in mind this is excluding any what they call accidents, and of course insurance and CP already include the accident record, but this is not including any additional service that you have done. Maybe your tire has punctured or your tire burst flat, you need to bring it to a nearby shop. So and that you would have spent a few dollars there. So this is not recording that as miscellaneous expenses. And additionally, just keep aside, but otherwise, every single other expenses, including your battery change and everything, is already recorded in the maintenance. That's part of maintenance. So if you want, you can also include as your car. So like for example, key battery changed. I've included here, and then I put here as as required, but in a bracket 3 years, meaning to say and approximately around 3 years once I'm occurring the cost. So yep. So let's see, and we will put it over here as this. Copy this. Put it here. Okay. And then we put the let's just put expense summary. Right, so here I'm looking at, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take total car fee. So this is already included inside there. However, there are other fees that's not included. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this, put it here. This amount, I'm going to push it back here. Why am I doing it that way? Because if you make any change for that, it will be reflected here. Alright, the next thing that I want to take is this. Okay. This is for 7 years. Whole thing is for 7 years. Okay. And then okay. So how many years is this? 1, 2, 3, and 5 years. I'm gonna mark it here. And then we're gonna have maintenance. Okay, and this could be also 4 years. To date. Or you can put YTD. Year to date. Okay. This is one lump sum. This is constant. variable. Variable. We have two constants and two variable. Change variable, it increases. You will be paying annually. Somehow it will be there. So we can have alright. I'm gonna put it here and okay. Change the graph will change. What do you want? I prefer to have it as a pie. Pie gives the better clarity. Fair enough. I don't need this. Okay. Do you want to have weight and no, I'm gonna leave it. Have it. You can choose. You can choose how you want it to be. See, you can actually you can choose what you want. Okay. So in this case, so I am looking at I can actually add let's see if we can add percentage. We can. Yeah, I do want to add. Alright, so there we go. I can change the color. Let's change the color. And then we have this is the interest. Wow. So maybe like blue. This we can change it to darker blue. Darker blue and lighter blue. Oh, and it's insurance. I will have it orange. Sorry, I will have it orange. Okay, and this is I think maintenance. Maintenance, let's have it green. Alright. Now this is your own record. And it doesn't matter how you do it. It's all what you want to see. What is the data that you want to see at the end? You know? So in my case, I want to see how much am I actually spending. You know, when you buy a car, and you need to spend about 12% on the interest for the value of a car, I would not even say so, you know, it's around 12%, and then you have about 5% of insurance and maintenance. So when you're selling, you know how much you have actually spent in a total for your car alone. So you know we can actually add a sum here. There you go. This value constantly will change as you make change over here. Whenever you want to have a complete view, you know, uh, summary year to date. Oh, sorry, year to date. Then you know we see. So this is an example. And guys, that's all I have for today. I will share in the video comment in terms of the link to this spreadsheet, and you feel free to change it as how you want to change it. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be sharing more spreadsheets, more journal, or more tracking lists, various things, you know. So take care, bye bye.